Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, January 12th. Hope you had a great week and that you're looking forward to the weekend. Everything is good here. I did some shopping. I've been busy decorating for Valentine's Day. So finally everything, Christmas is put away in my house for next year. And we took the tree down over the weekend. That was pretty much the last thing. So yeah, got my Valentine's stuff out, and I can't believe how quick Easter is coming up this year. Easter is March 31st, I believe, so the stores are putting Easter out already, and it's just everything goes so fast, it seems. But anyway, I did get a few more Valentine things that I wanted to share with you and some other crafty goodies. So let's get started with this item. This is from TJ Maxx, and these are three, I think, resin cupcakes from Cupcakes and Cashmere, and this was $9.99. I figured I would open it while I was here, just in case you're curious as to what they look like on the other side, because I am too. If you remember from a previous haul, I got the heart-shaped donuts, kind of like this, and they look so cute in my kitchen. I put them on a little tiered tray I got from Target. So these are the cupcakes, and yeah, they're super cute. Really like them. So that's like the vanilla one with the heart on top, and then this one has little hearts all over it, and it's pink. Cute. And then this one is a darker pink, and it's got a raspberry on top and more hearts and like two wrappers. So, oh, these are adorable. I'm looking forward to incorporating that into my Valentine decor. Let me know if you want to see my Valentine's decor. You know, I know it's not for everybody, but if you'd like to see, I'd be happy to show you. So those are my little cupcakes. And let's get on with everything else. Okay, so I stopped at Dollar General yesterday just to see what they had. Nothing really new. They had some Valentine decorations that I liked, but I had them already, so I didn't get them. All I picked up were two more of these Cutter Bee scissors. If you have a Dollar General near you, these were only $2, so that's such a great price. These are wonderful scissors for fussy cutting. That's what I use them for, and I'm left-handed. It's comfortable for left and right hand use. They come with the little case for the blades, which I do use, and I really like these. And the ones that I've been using for my fussy cutting, the tip is a little bit bent, so I am going to toss those. And if you're using them for fussy cutting, excuse me, you really need a precise, sharp tip to get into the little areas. So pick those up if you get a chance. So that's all I got from Dollar General. Target, I got a couple more things. I got this sign. This is what I was looking for. Oh, well, let me show you this first because it fell into view. I got this banner from the Sprit section, and this is not the dollar spot. It wasn't all the way in the back. It was like in the middle aisle by the stationery on an end cap with some Valentine's decor. So this was $3, and this is a garland of felt cherries. And the cherries are like heart-shaped. So I thought this was really, really cute. It's got like more like aqua instead of green stems and leaves, and a braided or twisted red and white twine to string everything together. So it's 5 feet long, $3. I thought this would be really cute on my hutch. I don't have a garland there right now, so I thought this would be a nice addition to that. So what I was saying before was the sign. I was looking for this laundry sign. Isn't that cute? It's smaller than I thought it would be. Let me get my ruler. I can measure it for you just so you know too. And this was $5. This is about not even 12 inches. So I kind of thought it was bigger. So that's what the code is on the back. But yeah, I'm going to hang this in my laundry room. And I just love the retro fonts. It says established 2024. And yeah, it's really, really cute. So I have some cute signs in my laundry room, and I thought that would make a nice addition to that. And then these I actually got last time, and I forgot to show you. They're little like dishes for your tea bag. So this one says spill the tea, and it's in the shape of a little teapot, and these were $1. Oops, upside down. $1. And then this one says drop it like it's hot, and of course $1 also. They had another one, I forget what it said, but I thought these were really cute. There are people in my house who love to drink tea, so they could bring this with them and put their tea bag in it once it's done. So I got those, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it from Target. Walmart, I was looking for more of this paper. This is the paper that I use to do my stamping and die cutting when I need white. And I'm always telling you it's 80 pounds, and I am so sorry, it's not 80 pound. It's 80 pieces of paper, and it's 65 pound. And I know I've corrected myself about that before, but for some reason I have in my head it's 80 pound, but it's 65 pounds. So I am sorry if I steered you wrong on that, but yeah, 65 pound, and you can print on this too, and I do print my downloaded papers from Etsy. I print them on this, and they always come out really, really nice. This is great paper. It used to be Nina Bright White, so I forget how much this is, but it's like $7 or something, and I try to get this when I'm running low. And the one store that I was going to, it was out of stock. They had the other colors, but not white. But finally, another store I went to had a few of these left. So I picked that up. And then, I got another big piece of foam board. It's huge, but let me just show you the label. So this is what it looks like. It's by Pen and Gear. This is only 98 cents, and this is in like the arts and crafts section. This is 3/16 inch foam core, and you could see how nice and dense it is, and it works great for die cutting. It doesn't warp. And yeah, I just love it. I love it better than the Dollar Tree one. This piece is 20 by 30, so it's a nice big piece. And it's been great. So I remember Tony from Craft Purge recommended this. Hi, Tony, if you're watching. I love it. Thank you so much for recommending that. So there's that. And then I got something else from Walmart. Oh, yeah, these. And these I saw them after I bought them on Tony's page as well. So Tony, we think alike. These are the little heart cake pan sets. And these were on a kind of like an end cap in the seasonal section, and they're $2.48 for 6 sets. And these are adorable. I thought they'd be fun to send little Valentine gifts in. So they come with these cute little pans, teeny little pans, and you could put like sequence mixes in here or little flowers that you make for your pal. And then the lids pop up too. They're not even like, flat, they're dimensional. So you could put these on. I guess, if you wanted to bake in them, you could, and then the top won't disturb your icing or frosting. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble putting this on. Okay, there we go. So it snaps on nice, so it'll keep everything in place, and maybe tie a ribbon around it. And I thought that was just a cute little idea for a gift. And they're disposable too. So there was that. Let me move that over. And yes, that was it from Walmart. I placed an order with scrapbook.com for stuff that I needed, not like new paper collections. And actually one of the items was missing, so I just wrote to scrapbook.com, and hopefully they'll send it out soon. But I needed some shimmer paper, and they have like these packs of A5 shimmer paper. And this is by Paper Rose. You can see I used this one already. And it comes in lots of different colors. This one is Sea Mist, which is like a light teal blue or light aqua. And this was, 10 sheets, and the cost was, I think, I meant to write it down, I totally forgot. I forget, $5 to $7, something like that. So it's nice paper, double-sided shimmer. I used it in a project that I shared the other day for Adorn It. So if you watched my Diana Markham stamp video, I used this paper in the card that I made. So it cut really well. I got this color, the Sea Mist, and then I got the darker teal. This one is called Sea Foam. And this purple I thought was pretty. It's hard to find like purple shimmer paper. It's called Blooming Blossoms. And the one that I was missing was like a multi-pack of different colors. And I got that because I really need pink, and the plain pink set was out of stock, and there was pink in the multicolor set. So yeah, hopefully, I think it's still in stock, so they should just send it out to me. So I got those shimmer papers. I also got these. These are a repurchase. They're Lawn Fawn metal snips, and these get really nice into like tight spaces in dies. I got these because my other ones broke when I was trying to cut some dies apart. And it wasn't the snips part, the piece in between the two dies was too thick, and I knew that, and I shouldn't have tried to cut it with my snips, and I did, and they broke. So I got another set of that. And then the freebies I got were this die set, so cute, right? Two layering pieces for the snowman. And then this was a freebie as well, double-sided adhesive, and this is 1/4 inch by 81 feet. So nice size, perfect for making like your 3D projects. And I did pick this up too. This is a 12 by 12 white paper pack, and this is by Coordinations, 65 pound, 12 by 12, and it's smooth. And sometimes you need a 12 by 12 of white, like if you're doing 3D projects or just bigger projects, and all of my white is, well, most of the white that I have is 8.5 by 11. So I figured I would pick this up while I was ordering, and there are 20 in there. So there's that from scrapbook.com. And then I placed an order with Temu and got some fun things. Not really crafty, I guess, but maybe you want to see it anyway. I needed a new case for my phone. The one that I had on there was like Christmassy, and the one I had before was really fading, you know, the design. So I got a new one, and this is what I've been having on my phone for the last couple days since I got my order. Isn't that cute? It's black, like a matte black with little cherries on it. And then this was a separate purchase, a little like pop socket. And these come obviously in different colors. And I like ordering phone cases from Temu because first of all, they're inexpensive. And second of all, I have an older iPhone. I have an 11 Pro, and you can't find 11 Pro cases like in Five Below or Target or anything like that anymore because it's older and they just carry the new ones really. So it's good to order from Temu or AliExpress or Amazon. So yeah, so I got this one. And it's been working great, the big pop socket. It works good. It doesn't pop as smoothly as a actual pop socket, but those are, you know, 15 bucks, and this was just a couple dollars. So it works fine. It's easier to pop up when you have a phone in here, but yeah, so I got that one. And then I got this phone case too to use after, and it's so pretty and simple. Sorry for that crinkling. It's just like a cream color, and if you could see, it's got like a vertical like rib design in it, and just a simple little flower, and I love the heart outline over the camera. So yeah, I picked that up. I tried it on my phone. It fit perfectly well. So I will link all my Temu products down below in case you are interested. And then I also got these nails. I've had mostly good luck with Temu nails, and these are so pretty. I thought the color, it's like a kind of a fuchsia red, and it comes with 24, and it's just a couple dollars. So, you know, usually I use Kiss nails, like these are Kiss nails that I have on, but they're like, you know, $9, so it adds up. So yeah, once in a while I like to get the Temu nail. So, and it doesn't come with glue, but that's fine. I use LA Colors glue that I get at Walmart, which I think is the best for nails. Anyway, it makes mine last really long. So I got those, and then I got this garden flag for Easter. And it's got the cutest little, or not Easter, for Valentine's Day. It's got the cutest little vintage bird on it, and she's holding a heart that says love, and it's decent quality, you guys. And this is like 18 by 24, I think. It's the typical garden flag dimensions. And yeah, it looks nice. The fabric it feels like good quality. The side stitching isn't like the best, but that's okay. It's fine for a couple dollars. And I have 2 garden flag like posts or stakes in the front of my house, one like right outside my front door on the porch, the other one like further down in a flower bed. So I'll probably keep this one by my door just to protect it from the snow and stuff. So yeah, thought that was adorable, and I wanted to just order one to see what the quality was like before I ordered more, and I really do like it. I think it's worth it. Hopefully it you know, holds up. Okay, and the last thing I wanted to show you is this planner that I got from HomeGoods. And I just love it. It's Hello Kitty, and I like Hello Kitty a lot, but some things are just like too much Hello Kitty. This one is like Hello Kitty light, I thought, and it's got Hello Kitty on the front and her little mousy friend. It says 2024 and all the flowers, and it's a pretty like peachy color. This was $12.99, and they had a smaller one in, I forget what color it was, but I like the bigger format. So on the inside, it's got the cute flowers on the back of the cover. It's got a pocket here, and then another pocket. And the paper it feels really nice, and it's like a soft, very off-white, kind of an ecru color. So I like that. It's just soft and easy on the eyes. And each page has Hello Kitty, but then with like, just subtle designs to go with it. So it's got the month and the to-do list for the month, but then it has, a week at a time as well. So it goes from like January with the little bow up here. I guess they all have the bows, but the month starts out differently. Like this one has hearts on it and Hello Kitty there. And I just thought it was super cute. And I struggle sometimes using my planners, but yeah, I figured I would give this one a go. The one that I had before, it would technically last until like June or July of this year, but I ripped the cover. So yeah, I didn't want to deal with that one anymore. I wanted a spiral one. The other one was like a book bound one and just was not working for me. So I picked that up. So that's it for my haul this week. I wanted to say thank you to everybody who's requested my recipe file from the project I made for Scrap Diva Designs, the easel recipe book. If you requested a recipe file from me, I did resize it in the middle of sending them out. So if the one I sent you, you're having problems like getting to fit into an 8x10 piece of paper or 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, email me again. I'll send you the revised one. And to know if you have the newer one's name is called Resized Recipes to Share. The other one is just called like New Recipes to Share. So if you're struggling, I got an email for one of my subscribers. I think it was Kimberly, and hi Kimberly, if you're watching. She said that she was having trouble printing it. So that's why I resized it, and it seems to be working fine. So if you're having trouble printing it, send me another email and I'll resend it to you. I delete my emails as I get them, so I can't just automatically send it to the people who I sent the first one to. But you might not have a problem with the first one, but if you do, just let me know. All right, you guys, that is it. I'll be working on more Scrap Diva design projects as well as other projects. And yeah, I hope you have a great weekend, whatever you're doing. Hopefully you get some crafting in. I want to start a new sewing project. I've been itching to start sewing again, so I gotta figure out what I want to do. So I will keep you posted on that. Until the next video, have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Leave me a comment if you'd like. I'd love to hear from you and see what's going on in your lives. All right, everyone, take care. Love you. Bye.